Hey, let's dive right into this explainer on fructose, because this sugar plays by totally different rules. Ever wonder why sugar from fruit or honey acts completely differently in your liver than normal blood glucose?
Well, unlike glucose, fructose heads straight from your gut directly to the liver, its main processing plant.
Think of the enzyme PFK1 as a metabolic traffic light. Glucose stops, but fructose, it drives right past.
By bypassing PFK1, fructose gets processed super fast without needing insulin. It's literally on a fast track.
At this crazy metabolic crossroads, fructose splits into rapid intermediates. This dictates its final destination inside you.
The liver then turns these fast intermediates into either glucose for energy or fat, driving hepatic fat storage.
But wait, what if your liver is actually missing a crucial enzyme to process this rapid fructose?
We see two genetic roadblocks here: completely harmless essential fructosuria and severe hereditary fructose intolerance, or HFI. In essential fructosuria, you lack fructokinase. Fructose just can't be processed, so it leaves harmlessly in urine.
FII is vastly different, though. It's a severe condition caused by a missing enzyme called aldolase B.
Without aldolase B, fructose partially processes into a phosphate form. It gets toxically trapped inside your cells.
This trapped phosphate rapidly depletes your cellular batteries, ATP. This triggers a cascading metabolic energy crisis.
With zero ATP, your liver can't produce glucose. This causes dangerous hypoglycemia, vomiting, and severe organ damage.
Because of this, the absolute only treatment is strict, lifelong avoidance of fructose, sucrose, and sorbitol.
Fructose is uniquely fast-tracked. But with today's high-sugar diets, are we completely outsmarting our own biology?